Alright, y'all, I did it again. I'm very, very sorry. We were looking at the structure from the quiz question. I numbered the parent chain down here. I wasn't careful enough to look for the longest chain, unfortunately. I really got honed in on this parent chain for some reason. So the correct analysis for this structure in your quiz question, really you can find an 8-membered chain up here versus the 7-membered one I found. So I really need to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that would make octane my parent chain rather than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and heptane, which is what I gave during lecture, which was incorrect. So if octane is my parent chain, now I have this substituent on carbon 4, this one on carbon 3, and this one on carbon 3. So I have 3 ethyl, 3 methyl, and 4 isopropyl, or in other words, 4 methyl ethyl. Again, on this isopropyl group, the first 2 carbons make the ethyl, and the methyl is on the ethyl, so it has to come before it since it's a substituent on the substituent, if you wanted to name it that way. I like isopropyl. People use it a lot more, so I'll probably be using that instead of the methyl ethyl. So if I number these or alphabetize them, I would have 3 ethyl for the ethyl group on carbon 3, 4 isopropyl for the isopropyl group on carbon 4, and then I have another methyl here on carbon 3. So that should actually be the correct name for the structure in your quiz question. Sorry about that mistake.